Here is the unboxing of my LG G8X, purchased on Flipkart Big Billion Days sale on 16th October 2020. Price quoted on the box is Rs 70k and we are getting below 20k on Flipkart. It is a brand new unit and imported in October 2020 itself from Vietnam. On removing the outer cover, festival sale sticker is the first thing visible on this big box. Many posts on YouTube and Twitter are questioning about box contents even before purchasing the phone, hence this video focuses on unboxing and overview of the product. Inside the box, you get to see screen wiping cloth as first thing, which is of good quality, and LG G8X main unit itself. It is just 6.4 inch screen and weighs about 192 grams and very slippery due to glass back panel. Be careful if you are using it without back cover. And inside the box, we get earphones in white colored box and USB Type-C cable, but not charging brick. You also get EPU case, which is of average quality but definitely usable. This is how the earphones will look like. It is in-ear type but bass levels are not good, so I'm keeping it aside. This is the closer look at the device. It is made out of glass and frame is plastic. There is no camera bump. It is in-glass camera unit. In-hand feeling and looks are premium. There is a separate box for dual screen unit and I'll come to that little later. Here is the first boot. Surprisingly, I noticed the message erasing and realized that it is not regular unit from India. It is imported from other country and Indian version of ROM is flashed by LG, so nothing to worry. First boot takes little long and it is usual with any phone. I will complete all the initial setup and will continue with the video. Phone is ready to use now. It has got optical fingerprint reader and hence it cannot be as fast as capacity ones. It also requires accuracy. I am quickly going to settings, about phone, to show software version. As you see here, it is Android 10 and September 2020 security patch is preloaded. Coming to the most interesting part in this phone, dual screen unit. This is the box with LG hologram and here is the secondary display unit. Instructions to attaching is mentioned here. This is the charging adapter for main unit. You cannot insert main unit with back cover. Once you close the cover, there will be a small gap at upper portion, but it is slightly on higher side here, which is due to tempered glass applied to main unit. So if you are using it as a dual screen phone all the time, do not apply tempered glass on screens. Use screen protector films instead. Front panel cover is of mirror finishing and always on display can be seen here. Overall, phone looks fancy and premium. Here is the quick demo of using secondary display. I am playing IPL on Hotstar. Screen orientation can be changed as you see here, but orientation time is not consistent always. You can turn off secondary display to save the power as well. As I have consistently noticed poor network signal reception with my Jio SIM, I did speed test and found that carrier aggregation on this phone results in higher download speeds. In my location, I usually get up to 10 Mbps download speed with Jio network. Now it is 37 Mbps. LTE Plus indicates carrier aggregation is on and this feature works when there is a heavy download activity, otherwise it will be on LTE only. That's all I had it in this video. I will use the phone for a week or two and keep uploading videos on useful things. Overall, I found this phone way better than any other phones in 20 to 30k segment in Indian market. Suggest you to grab this phone in next sale when available. Please let me know your questions in comment section below so that I can include the answers in my full review video. If you have found this video informative, forward it to your circles and please subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to hit like button. Hope to see you in my next video soon.